In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Brevo account. By the end, you'll have your account created and be ready to explore your dashboard with a clear understanding of each screen you'll see along the way. Start by heading to Brevo's website. On the homepage, look for the sign up button near the center of the screen and click it. This takes you straight into the account creation flow, so make sure you're on a stable internet connection before you begin. You can create your account in a few different ways. Continue with a Google account, continue with an Apple account, or sign up using an email address and password. Choose the option you're most comfortable with and will always have access to. If you pick email and password, use a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. After you select your sign-up method, you'll enter the onboarding process. First, you'll be asked for some basic details: your first name, last name, company name, and website. If you don't have a website yet, simply tick the box that says you don't have one and move on. Use the name you want to appear across your account and communications, then click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll fill in your address information. Enter your street address, zip or postal code, city and country, and add your state or region if that applies to your location. Take a second to confirm everything is accurate and consistently formatted, as this information can affect compliance and billing later on. Click Continue when you are done. You'll then see a short set of business questions. Indicate how many people are on your team, how many contacts you expect to need, and whether you sell online. You'll also be asked about receiving product updates, marketing tips, or promotional content by email or SMS. Choose the communication preferences that work for you, and feel free to review Brevo's privacy policy if you want to learn more about how your data is handled. Click Continue to save your choices. Now, add your mobile number to verify your account. Click Send verification code, wait for the code to arrive, then enter it into the field and click Verify. If the code doesn't come through right away, give it a moment and double check that the number is correct. Finally, choose your plan. You can explore higher tiers like Starter, Standard, Professional, or Enterprise, or select Free to begin at no cost. After that, you'll land on your dashboard. You may be prompted to verify your email, complete that if asked, and you're all set. Enjoy your new Brevo account.